Effective reading requires flexibility. To be an efficient reader, you must learn to control your reading speed. Two critical strategies for both pleasure and academic success are skimming and scanning, which allow you to process information rapidly. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify reading speeds, apply skimming for the gist, and practice scanning for data. Generally, there are three main reading speeds. First is study speed, the slowest pace, used for high concentration. Second is average reading speed, used for general interest materials that require good comprehension but not total memorization. Finally, there is skimming, the fastest speed, used when you need a general overview rather than a deep dive into every word. Skimming is the art of getting the gist of a text by moving through it rapidly. Research suggests that reading too slowly can lower your comprehension, so the goal is to maintain a steady, quick pace. For example, if you were skimming a text on the economic impact of petroleum, you would look for key indicators like revenue. If it takes you longer than 3 minutes to find those points, you are likely reading at an average pace rather than skimming. While often confused with skimming, scanning serves a very different purpose. Scanning is used to locate specific targeted information. When you scan, your eyes don't move in a standard left-to-right fashion. Instead, you might move your gaze in a zigzag pattern. You are searching only for specific items like dates, names, or numbers. For instance, finding a phone number in a directory. You would use skimming to determine a political bias, whereas scanning is for finding a specific grade on a record. To see this in practice, consider documentation about groupware. You would scan specifically for the term until it appears. You would do the same when looking for functional examples like electronic mail or workflow management. By mastering these techniques, you can significantly improve your information gathering abilities. I encourage you to practice these skills daily, perhaps when reading newspapers or reports, to increase your speed. To summarize, skimming is about getting the main idea, while scanning is about zeroing in on specific items of information. With consistent practice, you will find you can extract what you need from any text in a fraction of the time.